Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today we will be making a very delicious African dish, which is the coconut rice. And I have here one of our amazing cooking coaches here at Amazing Enterprise, none other than Miss Vivien Akube. Welcome, Vivien.
Thank you, Miss Naomi. Hello, everyone.
Wow, and then tell us about, the coconut rice that you are going to cook today.
Miss Naomi, I love my Saladmaster for so many reasons. Well, today I'm going to be making a simple, recipe, something you can definitely try at home. And I'll be using the multi-purpose cookware, what we call the MP5. And I tell you, okay, with this MP5, goodness, you replace your pressure cooker, your instant cooker, slow cooker. You don't need those anymore because the MP5 will do exactly even better, okay? Better than what you can achieve with these other types of cookware.
And I love that because we have the feature of the 316 titanium, such an incredible item to have in your kitchen.
So over here, I have some long grain rice. Now, you can definitely use whatever kind of rice that you prefer. Some people like the basmati rice or even the jasmine rice. But for me, I have the long grain rice. I also have some coconut milk here. Now, naturally, I always want to make my own coconut milk myself at home. And I'll use our food processor to do it.
Really? Oh, from the coconut?
Yeah, from the coconut. So the fresh coconut, because the flavor is rich.
Yes.
There's a lot of benefits of coconut. If you're lactose intolerant, definitely you want to use the coconut milk.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it has anti-inflammatory properties. And I'm telling you, lots of benefits with the coconut milk. And I also have my mixed vegetables over here. You can never go wrong with your vegetables when you're cooking in Saladmaster. I have some shrimp over here. I also have my paste. Okay, now I made this paste myself.
Wow.
And so I have 2 bell peppers, some onions, some garlic, and 1 habanero.
I can smell it.
You can smell it, right?
Yes,
it's rich. I like it. And then over here I have my basic seasoning. So I have some salt, I have some curry, some thyme, and my chicken bouillon. Now, by the way, this seasoning is optional. For some people, they are very okay and happy just using these other ingredients.
Okay.
Now, one other thing I forgot to mention is I have some chicken broth here, and it's optional. Some people like their rice really soft. Some people like it maybe in between. So it all depends. But guess what? We're making this coconut rice with no water, no oil, no frying.
Wow, exciting. Okay, so are we ready to cook?
Yes, we're ready. Let's do it.
All right, Viv, let's start cooking. Show us how to make this delicious coconut rice. I know it's going to be easier because we're using Saladmaster MP5. So take it away, Vivien.
And guess what? We're doing the dump and click.
Wow, dump and click. All right, okay.
And I'm telling you, with Saladmaster, you can do anything and get away with it, okay?
Okay, wow.
So I'm going to go ahead and open up my pan, and we are going to dump everything in there. So we're going to start off with the paste, the sauce that I have here. I'm just going to go ahead.
Personally made from bell peppers.
Yes.
A little bit of onion, and then
some habanero. So that will come last, okay?
Ooh, okay.
I'm going to go ahead and dump my coconut milk.
Okay, so the liquid first.
Yeah, so I dump my coconut milk in there. Wow. Okay. And I'm telling you, normally when you cook this at home, that's the shrimps. That will come later. I'm going to put my other seasoning. When we cook this, normally we have to saute the onions. It's a lot of process. It's a long process.
Oh, the regular method.
Yes, the regular method. Okay. Oh, my goodness. You saute and then you have to cook, and that takes a while. So I put all my curry and thyme and the salt in there. Okay, just stir it up a little bit.
Wow, Vivien.
Wow.
I can smell it. Coconut,
you can smell it already?
It smells really good.
Nice flavor.
Yes.
And then one other thing that I did with the rice is I kind of washed it with some hot water. Now, some people like to parboil the rice. You can do that as well. So I just washed it with some hot water, and I'm just going to go ahead.
But this is not cooked yet.
It's not cooked at all.
Not cooked at all. Okay.
So just washed it. That's all I did. Soaked it in a little bit of hot water, and I rinsed it out. So I'm going to dump it in here. Okay. Wow. You see that? For all the busy moms.
Do you know how many cups do we have in this?
So this is about 4 cups of rice.
Okay, 4 cups of rice.
4 cups of rice, okay?
Okay.
Now, thank you.
All right.
So I'm going to go ahead and stir, okay? Now, this is the only time I get to stir. when I start doing the cooking, no stirring, okay?
Okay.
Yes,
So
wow.
you're kind of just blending.
Making sure everything goes in, you
Yes.
know. Wow. Now, another thing you can do, so I'm going to put a little bit of the chicken broth, okay?
Okay.
Now, this is optional. Some people really like their coconut rice, the flavor strong. So you can do that. And others just want, you know, mild flavor. For me, I like the mild flavor. I don't want it too strong. So I'm going to put a little bit, just a half cup of a chicken broth, okay?
Ooh,
All right.
so
Stir it up a little bit.
Because I've tried this already and I love it.
You
Vivien.
love it,
So
right?
Thank you for sharing this recipe to
Oh.
us and to all of our Salad Master Naomi's Corner subscribers.
Yes, anytime
Yes,
at all.
yes.
So I mix it up and I am going to go ahead. Now, the MP5, it's electric, okay? So it comes with a digital probe, all right? And all we have to do is set the temperature and set the timer. And I'm telling you, you can go to sleep.
I
okay?
love that.
Yes, that makes life so much more easier, especially for busy moms, right? So I'll set the temperature at 300. So 300, and I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes or 35 minutes.
Okay, all right.
So we do 30 minutes and kind of watch and see. You know, you still kind of play with it. For most people, they'll do 35 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So we just leave it at 35 minutes and we wait for it to click.
Yes,
So
wow.
I go ahead and plug
How
it. You see how easy?
convenient.
Yes. Plug that in and we wait for the, when we hear the vapor valve click, we can go ahead and turn down the temperature to about 260.
Okay, so all in all, 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, when it starts clicking, you reduce the heat from 300 to 200
260.
to 60 degrees, and your
Coconut rice.
coconut rice is ready. So we're gonna be back.
Wow.
Oh, okay, we hear the magic clicking. So what's gonna happen now?
So as soon as it starts clicking, okay, that is an indication that your temperature inside the pan is about 187 degrees. Now that's the perfect temperature at which the bacteria in the food is destroyed, but the nutrients are preserved.
Yes.
So at that clicking sound, you want to reduce your temperature from 300 to 260.
Okay, and then we're gonna wait until the time is up. Okay, because we
Yes.
set it up for 30 minutes for your coconut rice.
Yeah.
Okay, Viv, wow, it looks like our coconut rice is ready. Can we do the
Yes,
reveal?
of course we're going to. But guess what? We had to dump our mixed vegetables about 10 minutes towards the end, okay? Just pour it on top of it. Remember, no stirring until it's all cooked.
Wow, okay, so will you do the reveal?
Ta-da! Drum roll!
Yes.
Woo!
Wow, wow, look at that. Look at the texture. I think it's going to be really good. And this is the time.
This is the only time we get to stir the
Wow.
coconut rice. Oh my goodness. See that? See the moisture? Ooh.
Wow.
I'm telling you, with the shrimp and all that in there. Oh
I can
my
smell
goodness.
it. I can smell it.
The flavor is, ooh. Oh, this is good. This is
actually
good.
a complete meal because you have your protein, the shrimp, and then of course you have your carbs and you have your vegetables. Wow.
Yes.
All in one in our multi-purpose 5-quart cooker.
Yes.
So I think we're going to have you again soon because, you know, we love what you're cooking and preparing for us. And again, thank you so much. And we are ready to eat.
Yes, very exciting.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Salad Master. Stay amazing!